Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to locate VMware virtual machine after reinstalling Windows. If you are unable to locate your VMware virtual machine after reinstalling Windows, then you can follow me to fix this. Open the VMware Workstation software on your computer. Right-click on the library and click on Scan for virtual machines. Browse to the folder where your virtual machines files are stored. Now copy the address of the folder. And paste here. Then click on Next. Now all the virtual machine will be added into the list. You can also manually select the listed virtual machine. Once done, click on Finish and Close. If you cannot locate your virtual machine using the above steps, it is possible that the virtual machine files were deleted or moved during the installation of Windows. In this case, you may need to recover the files from a backup or recreate the virtual machine from scratch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.